Hi, in this video, I show how I simulated delivery and IoT sensor data like temperature, humidity, and delays to show how logistics platform track shipments. This is useful for dashboard analysis or even testing alert systems without using real data.
In real logistics, you have thousands of shipments moving at once. Teams needs a safe way to test dashboards and alerts, so I created a realistic sample data that behaves like real deliveries without any privacy risks. My approach is simple: generate delivery events and sensor readings with realistic ranges, add timestamps, detect delays, and flag out of range conditions like too warm, cold chain packages, or high humidity. First, I set up the environment and a folder to save outputs. Each shipment record has timestamp like pickup and arrival times, IDs like shipment and order, routing info, original hub and destination city, delivery status, IoT sensor readings for temperature and humidity, plus automatic alerts when values go out of range. Here, I generate 100 records, so for each shipment, I create realistic times, simulate temperature and humidity, and mark alerts when they are outside safe ranges like 2.5 to 7.5 degrees Celsius for cold chain and 55 to 75% for humidity. I also check for delays by comparing estimated versus actual arrival. Next, I collect everything into a Pandas data frame so it's easy to filter, analyze, and visualize. Here's a quick preview. You can already see shipment IDs, hubs, statuses, sensor readings, and alert flags. I export the dataset as CSV and JSON so it can be used in dashboards, APIs, or shared with teammates. Because this looks like real data, we can answer questions fast like how often delays happen or how many temperature alerts we see. So this kind of synthetic data lets team design dashboards, train models, and test alert logic without touching real customer information. It speeds up development and protects privacy. So that's it, a practical IoT logistics simulator that creates realistic shipment data for analysis and demos.